Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at perfectgardens.com. So today I'm just here to give you a quick update on our potatoes. So as you remember, we had two types of potatoes, the indeterminate and the determinate. The ones that you could just really plant in the ground, and the ones that you plant deep and keep adding in soil as the plant grows. I've been coming out here for the last week, and it's really interesting. I don't know if other farmers think or feel the same way, but initially, right when we get planted, there's like some level of insurity. Whenever I plant seeds and just get started growing for the season, for the first week or two until I see the seeds pop and green leaves growing, there's just a level of insurity in myself. Like, am I going to get food this season? Are the seeds going to plop? Did I plant too early? Did I plant too late? And at the end of the day, it just feels so good to see something start growing, whether it's just some baby carrots or some spinach, or even if you have to just go out to Home Depot and get a plant that's growing already that they got started for you and get it in the ground, just feel good. And at the end of the day, that's what happened to me today. I came outside, I looked at my potatoes, and they're just popping. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, as you can see right here, the potato is just popping out right here. That's what it looks like. And I came outside and it just feels so good to plant something and see it grow and just see it just start growing and know that my actions, maybe they weren't perfect, but they're working. And I just got to keep going. Don't lose confidence in myself. Because Colorado does get pretty cold in May, I kept these planters covered with plastic to help keep the moisture in the planter and also trap a little bit of heat in to help it grow a little quicker. As you can see too, I came outside, I just watered this a little bit, but as you can see, there still is a part of the soil that's a little damp. And in another video, I was talking about how to know when to water. And I was basically talking about how the soil basically breathes, and as it breathes and expands and contracts based upon watering and growing and plants and everything under the soil and growing above it, the soil begins to break up. And what I like to do is I actually like to water when the soil begins to slightly dry back, and then I re-water. And as you can see here, there's still a little dry spot. I'm gonna get a little bit more water and water this and let these potatoes keep growing. Let's go ahead and look at the other ones. You can see here, nothing yet, but probably in the next couple days, we'll be seeing plants coming out of these pots for all of our potatoes.